Hey guys, this is Dark Shade Window Tint, and we're working on a local business here in Houston, Texas, WCA, and we're installing a very dark film. It's great for privacy and heat rejection. I quickly want to go inside and show you how it looks like from the inside, talk a little bit more about the benefits of the film. So let's go inside and check it out. So the film that we're installing on this project is a 5% non-reflective commercial film. Now, as you can tell, the windows that have not been tinted are a lot lighter than the windows that are currently tinted right now. There's a huge difference. That glass right there is clear, and so the film we're putting on is the darkest commercial film you could possibly put on. That's gonna reduce basically most of the sunlight, add privacy, and of course, because it's so dark, it's gonna block a lot of heat. This film specifically is gonna reduce over 55% of the heat from coming inside of the business during the hottest time of the day. Now, the reason they installed this film, like I said, is because a lot of sunlight came in, especially with the entire front entrance being glass. A lot of sunlight came in. It was hard to see computers. It got warmer a lot faster, so the AC couldn't catch up. And also they wanted a little bit of privacy, so people driving by in front of the building or close to the building can't see inside. So if you're a business owner that wants to block a lot of heat, a lot of sunlight, and reduce a lot of the glare that's coming through the windows throughout the entire day, this film right here is a great film for that, a very cost-effective way to get that job done. Now, if you have any more questions about this film or other different types of commercial-related films for your business, give us a call, send us an email, let us know. We'll be happy to help and send over any information you need to help solve any problems that you're currently having for your windows for your business.